Question 18. Question 18 is a solution question. Usually the first question in a game is. It's just asking for one complete setup of the game, one acceptable arrangement of items to the three centers. The best way to do these is to pick a rule and then look for answer choices that violate that rule. So just start at the top with the first rule, which says that if you have a W, you have to have N. That's immediately going to eliminate answer choice A, because that has center 3 doing W but not doing N. Rule 2, if it's in center 2, it has to be in center 1, is going to eliminate answer choice C. The first half of rule 3 is going to eliminate answer choice E. There has to be only one plastic, but in answer choice E you have centers 1 and 2 both doing plastic. Answer choice D is going to be eliminated by the second half of rule 3. That rule says that if you have P, you can't have G, and in answer choice D, center 1 is doing both P and G. That leaves B as our answer, so I'll go ahead and write that into our notes, the sketch for answer choice B, and then on to the next question.